Alright, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be doing a review and look at the Keeper belt buckle belt knife. Pretty dang cool type of invention right here. Dual knives in your belt, really cool. But hey, before I get into this, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the Keeper belt buckle knife. Now I've done another video on this and a lot of you guys really like this. And I'd love to be able to tell you where you can buy one of these. Unfortunately, the company disappeared. I tried to contact them, tried to help you guys out, tried to find anything about them, but they're just gone. I can't find anybody active, nobody will message me back. So I'm doing this video so you guys can see how it works and maybe build one of them yourself. So, really cool design. So you got the got kind of a hunting design on there. It's pretty bright, hopefully you can see that. But what you do is you turn this front dial and you have dual knives that pop out of the sides. Now, these are punch daggers, so they can be held forward grip. Also, they can be held in a more concealed stance, reverse grip. Really cool knives, pretty effective. They're not super utilitarian, but hey, they're a lot of fun. They'd be great in self-defense, street fight type thing, because you got both hands, you got dual knives, and honestly, nobody's going to be expecting these to come out of your belt buckle. So, not sure exactly how this works, but I think it's pretty simple. So it's got a dial in there. When you turn it, one way it releases them, turn it the other way it locks them in. Pretty simple. It's got the screws here on the back and the knob here that clicks into the rest of your belt. But yeah, that's about it. These are pretty simple knives. What is cool about them is how they overlay on each other. So you can actually see this is how they sit when they're in the belt. They actually fit into each other, so you can see it's carved out there, and there's actually a slot in the second handle right there where this one fits into, almost like two little puzzle pieces, and then that's actually how they sit inside the knife. So in order to put these back in, you have to have the dial turned to the side, and then you simply slide the one with the slot in underneath the one on top. And then there's actually a little spring mechanism that pushes them out, so they get into there, and then you push them in, and you simply turn the dial, and they're locked in place, and you're ready to rock and roll. I actually really like how this knife looks, because the belt buckle is not too big. Some guys wear these giant belt buckles. It looks like you're wearing, you know, a freaking dinner plate on your belt. But this one's not too big, but it's also not tiny. So, you know, if you're into country stuff, you know, like I am, you know, your country life, then freaking you got a nice belt buckle you can show people. But honestly, people don't think it's anything crazy. But then all you got to do is turn the dial, and you got dual knives that come out the sides. Honestly, it's a really cool design, really fun to show people. Fortunately, I haven't had to use it in any kind of a self-defense thing. Hopefully, I never will. But it's really cool to know that it's there. Obviously, it's not as good as a 45, but hey, it's going to get you a little bit of protection. It's going to provide some actually little knives if you need some kind of utilitarian purposes. And hey, it's just there for the fun of it. Putting them back in is pretty simply slide them in, turn the dial, and there you go. You're ready to rock and roll and move on with your life. So hey, there you go, guys. That is another look at the Keeper belt buckle knives. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened to the company. I tried to contact them, like I said. I don't know where they went. If any of you can find them and get in touch with them, please let me know, because honestly, I would love to be able to get in touch with them and work out a business deal or something like that. But as for right now, they're out of commission, and they're not producing anything, and I don't know what to do about it. But hey, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed getting another look at this really cool knife. Do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hey, I'll see you in the next video, so stay tuned.